First, let's take a look at how we get started with Fleet. Fleet is a browser-based application you can access with any internet browser. When you open Fleet, you are asked to sign in. Type in your email address and password to sign in. After signing in, you land on the home page. On the home page, you can see all vessels on your fleet. Vessels that have Groke Pro installed are marked with the Groke logo. When you click on a vessel, it will be shown and centered on the map. Basic information of the vessel is shown in the info card on the lower left corner. The info card includes basic information such as vessel type, speed, heading, and location. AIS info is also included in the info card. By closing the info card, you return to the home page. You can also change from one vessel to another from the drop-down menu on the info card. On the home page, if you hover your cursor over the vessels either in the map view or in the list view, the corresponding vessel on the other view will be highlighted. Next, let's take a look at the detected objects in the surrounding of vessels. If a vessel has Groke Pro system installed, you can see all detected vessels on the map. When you click on object, the info card of the vessel will be shown on the lower right corner of the screen. Again, the info card includes basic information such as vessel type, speed, heading, and location. If possible, AIS information is also available. The info card also shows the information sources. In this case, the information has been collected and fused from AIS and Groke Pro camera. Next, let's take a look at the Events feature. Events are listed on the info card of the selected vessel. Event listing consists of an automatically triggered significant events during the voyage. Event triggers include multiple targets, CPA alarms, high motion, and events recorded by the user. When you select an event, the vessel will be shown on the route at the point of the event, and a high-resolution image from the Groke Pro camera is shown on the upper part of the screen. By clicking the forward button, you can move forward on the timeline. Images of the events are recorded during time period the triggered alarm was active. The events are also shown in the route timeline with a yellow triangle. If the event occurred at nighttime, you can use the blending function to activate the thermal camera. By adjusting the blending, you can make sure you get the best possible view of the event. You can export the captured image by clicking the download icon. The exported images are stored in your computer's Downloads folder. You can select the date by clicking the calendar icon. Select the date by clicking on it. The vessel position and route will adjust on the map view accordingly. The Playback mode allows you to replay the route of the vessel. Select the Playback mode by clicking on the play icon on the menu. You can replay the vessel route by clicking on the play icon in the toolbar. You can easily adjust the playback speed from the drop-down menu. You can also move on the route timeline by clicking on the data points or clicking the forward button. The third and final view on Fleet is the Statistics page. You can access it by clicking on the chart icon on the menu. The landing page shows statistics of the whole fleet. You can easily see how many events have occurred and how many images have been taken of those events. You can also see the amount of events by trigger type and by vessel. The statistics also show how many vessels of the fleet are online and how many vessels have Groke Pro installed. You can easily inspect statistics of individual vessels by selecting them from the drop-down menu. You can change the time period for the statistics from the drop-down menu. Finally, let's take a look at the interface settings. You can select the language between English and Japanese and select the preferred time zone. You can choose the preferred compass mode of north up and head up. Other settings include speed vector time and preferred map source. You can change between the dark and light mode by clicking on the icon on the upper part of the UI.